Welcome to our channel. If you want to eat healthy on a budget and save money while nourishing your body, follow these step-by-step strategies. Step 1. Plan your meals for the week before shopping and create a detailed grocery list to avoid impulse purchases of expensive items. Step 2. Buy seasonal produce, which is typically fresher, more nutritious, and significantly less expensive than out-of-season options. Step 3. Purchase store brands instead of name brands as they often contain the same quality ingredients at lower prices. Step 4. Buy dried beans, lentils, and whole grains in bulk as they're inexpensive, nutritious, and have long shelf lives. Step 5. Shop the perimeter of the store where whole foods like produce, meat, and dairy are located, avoiding expensive processed foods in center aisles. Step 6. Use frozen vegetables and fruits, which are just as nutritious as fresh, but often much cheaper and last longer. Step 7. Cook in large batches and freeze portions for future meals to save time and money while reducing food waste. Step 8. Compare unit prices rather than package prices to ensure you're getting the best value for your money. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.